When it comes to architectural design in HBR Layout, Bangalore, SCON Design India Private Ltd is a leading firm that offers exceptional services. As experienced architectural designers, SCON Design understands the importance of creating innovative and functional spaces that meet the unique needs of their clients. With their expertise in the field, they have established a strong reputation for delivering high-quality designs that exceed expectations. SCON Design India Private Ltd is known for its talented team of architectural designers who possess a deep understanding of design principles and concepts. They combine creativity with technical expertise to create stunning designs that are both aesthetically pleasing and functional. Whether it's residential or commercial projects, their architects are skilled in translating their clients' vision into reality. What sets SCON Design apart from other architectural design firms is their attention to detail and commitment to customer satisfaction. They take the time to listen to their clients' needs and work closely with them throughout the design process. By understanding their clients' requirements, they are able to create designs that not only meet their expectations, but also enhance their living or working spaces. One of the key strengths of SCON Design India Private Ltd is their ability to adapt to different design styles and preferences. Whether it's contemporary, traditional, or a fusion of both, their architectural designers have the expertise to create designs that align with their clients' tastes. Overall, if you're looking for architectural designers in HBR Layout, Bangalore, SCON Design India Private Ltd is a trusted choice. With their experienced team of designers, commitment to customer satisfaction, and emphasis on sustainability, they can bring your vision to life in a way that exceeds your expectations. Contact SCON Design today to discuss your architectural design needs and transform your space into something extraordinary. When it comes to architectural design in HBR Layout, Bangalore, SCON Design India Private Ltd stands out as a leading firm in the industry. With a team of highly skilled and experienced architectural designers, SCON Design has established a strong reputation for delivering innovative and functional designs that meet the needs of their clients. Whether it is residential, commercial, or institutional projects, their architectural designers have the expertise to create spaces that are aesthetically pleasing and practical. SCON Design India Private Ltd is known for its commitment to excellence in architectural design. Their team of architectural designers are passionate about creating designs that not only meet the client's requirements, but also exceed their expectations. With a thorough understanding of the latest trends and technologies in the architectural industry, they are able to create designs that are not only visually appealing but also sustainable and energy efficient. One of the key strengths of SCON Design's architectural designers is their ability to understand the unique requirements of each project. They take into consideration factors such as the site location, surrounding environment, and the client's vision to create designs that are tailor-made for each project. If you are looking for architectural designers in HBR Layout, Bangalore, look no further than SCON Design India Private Limited.